Oh, so gorgeous. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful 2 bedroom at the Novell River Oaks. It's got style, it's got class, it's got beautiful colors. Perfect kitchen. And this is just delightful. I'm gonna walk through it just so you can see it, but look at these cabinet colors. Look at the style of even just the way these appliances fit in so perfectly in here. I love this. And look at this island. This island's stunning. Just love this. Beautiful quartz, looks like quartz countertops. Possibly even granite, actually. This is interesting. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous backsplash too. And then of course you're gonna have some gas to cook with. That's the mark of a true luxury residence, and you got it. You got it covered. So much cabinet space, so much cabinets, so much counter space, and then all the perfect appliances you need. And then a very open living room. This is delightful with a beautiful balcony that's right over there. Hey, what do you think about this beautiful residence? My number is below. Send me a text. Just say, hey, Grant, I like what I'm seeing. I want to get more information about this. This might be exactly my perfect apartment. And just introduce yourself. Say, I'm looking in the area. I'm looking to find a perfect place in Houston. You're my man. I want to get your help, and I like what I see. Okay, we've got another video that's coming. So if you like what you see, wait, because we've got one more video coming here that's going to be a quick overview. You'll like it.